Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Now, I've been seeing these AI anime channels everywhere lately, and some of them are pulling in millions of views with super simple content. And that got me thinking, is this actually one of the easiest niches to monetize right now? So I tested it, and more importantly, I found a tool that basically automates the entire process. Let me show you how this works and how you could realistically turn this into a content machine. So if you break it down, these channels are doing a few key things. Short-form anime storytelling, loopable emotional clips, aesthetic edits, or mini-series style content. And the reason they work is simple. They're easy to consume, highly shareable, and algorithm-friendly, which means high views, strong retention, and serious monetization potential. But the biggest bottleneck is actually creating the content consistently. And that's where most people fall off. So instead of doing this manually, I tried using Flova AI. And honestly, it changes everything. Flova is basically an all-in-one AI video agent. Instead of using Midjourney, separate video tools, editing software, and audio tools, it puts everything in one place. You literally go from idea to storyboard to animation to final video without leaving the platform. So I wanted to test something simple. Let's have it cinematic anime scene of a character walking through a neon city. And it gets right to work. And what I liked immediately is I didn't need to keep jumping between tools. If I don't like something, I can tweak it, regenerate it, or refine just that part without restarting everything. It feels less like prompting and more like directing. So this is one of the ways where Flova stands out. Instead of just being another generator, it works like a full production pipeline. You can build scenes, adjust prompts in real time, give feedback, likes and dislikes, and it learns your preferences. Now, lickety-split, we got this. So check this out. Fully generated here. This lady in the trench coat walking. Now, let's change some details. I can just go right in here into the chat. So I gave it some notes. I told it we wanted to make the girl have purple hair. Went through purple, periwinkle, to fuchsia. Landed on fuchsia with this sparkling evening gown. Just see what happens there. And we added a little bit of a story. For each new paragraph, I need a new camera angle. Camera behind our purple-haired character as she walks. Framing is from her mid-back to just above the top of her head. We hear a dog whimper. The purple-haired girl turns around with a concerned look. High-angle shot. We see a sad blue Boston Terrier take a few steps forward. Close-up of the girl's face. Looking down and frame left, her expression changes from concern to a smile. Wide shot, the girl kneels on frame right, the dog sulks from frame left. Medium low angle shot, the kneeling girl extends her hand toward camera. Close up high angle shot, the dog's expression changes from sad to hopeful. Wide shot, the kneeling girl pets the dog. The dog leaps into the girl's arms. Let's see what happened with that. So we see everything under the hood here. We've got all the So if there's something that I am not wild about, or something that I just don't love, that I want to tweak, that I want to change, there I am. I'm the director. I'm going to see these character models before they start doing their thing. Assets are configured, generating the prompt. Time to bring the shots to life, generating all 8 video clips now using the character and environmental references. This will take a moment as each shot is rendered in sequence. Oh, lovely. It is now generating all of these shots in parallel, simultaneously working on any of them. And if there's something I need changed in any of them, just like we altered the character model, we can alter individual shots. I could come here and make a new Boston, or I could change it to a German Shepherd, or whatever detail I wanted to change. I'm kind of feeling the city. So we're going to see everything here as it generates and figure out on the fly what kind of stuff we might want altered. You could literally click a scene, say make it darker, add rain, change the camera angle, and it updates. That alone saves a ridiculous amount of time. Now, one thing most AI tools mess up badly is character consistency. Your character changes every scene. It kills the entire vibe. With Flova, we were creating these single character sheets using the models, so it's never going to deviate from the model we told it to use and we selected. It's almost like it's a 3D animation studio or an animation studio all of its own. It creates the models and it's going to use them consistently through every shot. This is huge if you're trying to build a series, a story, or a recognizable brand, because your character is going to stay consistent between everything. Now, another feature we're going to dive in on here in just a second is Node Rewind. I didn't expect to use this as much. If you don't like how your project is going, you don't restart. You just go back to an earlier moment. Change direction and branch off a brand new version. So instead of wasting time, you're experimenting faster. For content creation, that's everything. Drag it all into the timeline. And so now we've got our completed thing here. That's pretty cool. Now, another thing worth mentioning is Flova just integrated C-Dance 2.0, which we see up here. That is one of the most trending AI tools right now, and this is important because using trending models equals higher engagement potential. So if you're trying to stay ahead in the AI content space, having tools that you can access like this inside one platform is a big advantage. Now, the premium thing like this, here's where it gets interesting. If you've tried building this setup yourself, you'd easily be paying over $120 a month across different tools. Flova bundles everything into one platform for around $19 a month. So from a business perspective, it just makes sense. So after testing it, this is how I see it. If you were trying to get into AI content, anime edits, YouTube automation, or short-form monetization, Flova basically removes the biggest barrier, which is production. You can focus on ideas instead of getting stuck in tools. Now, if you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description. You will get 200 free credits instantly, 200 credits weekly, extra credits for completing workflows, and referral bonuses up to 2,000 credits. So if you've been thinking about starting an AI content channel, this is probably one of the easiest ways to get started. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description, and I'll see you at the revolution.